Mint in the box, as Spatch Bear would say. In here is a brand new, never used, never installed EZ, spelled letter E, letter Z, EZ Automotive 8-track player. This is brand new, never opened. Well, it's been opened, but never used. So it is mint. Comes with wiring harness. My plan is either hook it up to the vintage Radiomatic sound system I have in the living room. I added a car CD player to it with a 12-volt power supply. So I might do the same with this if there's room, or I'll rig it up in here in my room somehow. Screw it to the shelf or something. I'll have to see what I want to do and what size power supply I'm going to need. The car CD player is powered by a 12-volt 2-amp power supply. I think I'm going to need a 5-amp for this. If it even works. You know what I mean? It'll work. Just the question is, what am I going to have to do to get it to work again? You know, I'm sure the lubrication might be dry in the that allows the 8-track head to move up and down. That's how it reads the 4 tracks. The head physically moves up and down. Well, the grease or the lubrication can dry up. I got 2 Panasonic 8-track players that won't change tracks. So I gotta take them apart. I need 2 hands for this. Alright, that's open. Let's see what we got here. There's the box. This is an underdash model. Just hanging as I'm trying to get this. Eight-track car stereo tape player. Model 8P-16-4. Stereo tape player. Brand new. See if I can get this out of here. Comes complete. Operating instructions, mini stereo tape player. Black and red for power. Green and gray for the speakers. Just a fuse. Pause if you want to read. You got tone, balance, and volume control, program selector, pilot lamp. Power requirement 12 volts. Power consumption 2 amps at rated output power. Printed in Taiwan. The specifications, like I said, if you want to pause to read, I'll scroll down. Ampere. Ampere, however you want to pronounce it, A-M-P-E-R-E. Let's see what the unit looks like, shall we? Something just fell. Couple mounting hardwares. Here it is. Doesn't have an eject button. You got select, left volume, right volume, tone. Here's the back. Use 8 ohm speakers only. 12 volts. Quality control, easy world of sound. Van Nuys, California. Is there a date on this thing, like a manufacturer's date, or for head adjustments only? So I can that way I can adjust the heads of it. So if the tape heads off alignment, which it would be being in a car, inside, see the tape head, capstan, play only. Got this off a guy on Facebook. So I assume it probably only shifts on this power. So it's probably a power shift. So there'll be look for future videos on this whenever I get around to hooking it up. Once I figure out how I'm going to do it and where I'm going to put it. I'm not going to install it in the van, that's for sure. Maybe down the line I'll put it in a different vehicle, but not that piece of shit. But I'll hook it up to a stereo, obviously. Use a 12 volt 2 amp power supply or a 12 volt 4 amp. Probably get away with a 4 amp just to be safe, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. So, mint in the box. Nice.